Hey, what's going on? JD here, and I have a quick unboxing for you. Today we are going to unbox the Garmin Edge 130 Plus, a GPS cycling computer from Garmin. This guy represents great value for those of you looking to get a small bicycle computer. If you don't want a giant head unit or you want something that is relatively discreet on your bike, this is the way to go. The Edge 130 Plus is the updated version of the Edge 130, and it represents great value. This guy comes in at $289.99 Canadian, but recently it has been on sale. I picked this guy up for just over $200, $209 to be exact, and I think that is great value for those of you looking to get into a bike computer. It was just released in the summer last year, so let's jump into it, take a look what's in the box, and see what you can expect. So we'll just pop this guy open. So of course we've got the instruction manuals. We have a bunch of rubber bands as well as a couple adapters to mount it to your bike. Now, this is one of the things that you're going to find with this unit is it does not have an out front mount. We've got a Garmin tether as well. And then we have a USB cable to charge it. And then we will have, most likely, when we get this out, the unit itself. So we'll just pop that out. So as you can see, the unit is quite small. It is 1.6 inches by 2.5 inches, and it's about 0.6 inches deep. So quite small. We're going to take a look here, and you can see we're just going to pull that off. The old nice new clean screen. Everybody loves that. So it is quite a small unit, but the great thing with this is that it essentially does what most head units do that people want them to do. You can attach your cadence sensor, your speed sensor, your heart rate monitor. It has navigation as well. And, it's just a nice small head unit. The thing is this guy weighs a grand total claimed weight of 33 grams. So we're going to pull out the scale and throw that on. So 32.85 grams, very, very lightweight. The battery is a lithium-ion battery, which gives you up to 12 hours. Now, that might not be long enough for some people, but, for the vast majority of people, you can probably go out, do a couple 100K, and this is going to be completely adequate. It is waterproof, IPX7, and again, just a fantastic value for the price. We will see. Power this guy on. It might have a little bit of a charge. It might not. So you're going to see that this guy, the Garmin screen, powers on. And we will go through the initial setup. So you select English. You've got the up and down keys. You download the app to your phone. And then you can pair the device. And that's straightforward. All you're going to do is connect via Bluetooth, enter the code, and the Garmin and your phone will be paired. And then it's off to the races. From there, you can utilize the 5 buttons on the Garmin to program how you want your screens to look, or you can do that via the app, whichever is easier for you. Now, you can set up the screens however you want, as many numbers on there as you like, so you can add as many fields. Me, I like to keep them fairly big because it is a small screen. screen, and I can scroll utilizing the buttons. The great thing, it not being touchscreen, is that you're not having a problem when you're wearing gloves or it gets wet outside. Now, the awesome thing as well is the navigation, even though it is dumbed down compared to a device like the 1030, is that you still have the ability to plan routes on an app like Komoot and download them to the Garmin, and they will be ready to go. You just don't have the road names, and it is a little bit more of a breadcrumby system. But overall, that aside, a fantastic device. I think it's great, small, compact, very affordable. So that is our unboxing of the Garmin 130 Plus. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and hit that bell button so you get notifications. And until next time, see you.